winds. As you can see on the infrared satellite picture, it's getting much better organized. It's getting away from the shear, so that's going to be good for a strengthening system. Let's take a look at the particular 60-mile-per-hour winds. Forecast path has it inching more towards the northwest in time. Last night, the forecast models, if we can take a look at the forecast models here, actually had the storm much further west towards New Orleans. Now the morning models, the morning run, 12Z run, has the models pushing more towards the peninsula of Florida. So this has been a back and forth along the Gulf Coast because it's so far out. But we're going to make sure there's probably going to be landfall from either from Tampa on northwest to the Panhandle near Pensacola, or on as far west as Mississippi. So all these areas need to watch this carefully. As I said, the shear, there's a little bit of shear going on just north of Cuba, but that is also subsiding, and the shear in the northern Gulf of Mexico is subsiding as well, so it should be much more favorable for the storm to strengthen. Now it will cross over Haiti a little bit, so it'll encounter some of the mountainous terrains there, but other than that, this storm will reemerge over Cuba and continue northwest. The intensity scale, this is all the models that have the intensity scale. Only one model puts it up towards Category 1, Category 2. All the other models are now trailing off with its interaction with Haiti and Cuba. But it should re-strengthen as it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, and I think some of these models aren't doing the storm justice in the Gulf of Mexico. As far as watches and warnings, we have tropical storm watches all in effect for Haiti, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and then on over to Cuba. I'm meteorologist Mark Molnar for Meteomark.com. Thanks for watching. Check in for a later update.